Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss problem solution type essay. So problem and solution, generally you have to write either problem, either cause, solution. So they will give you any two things and you have to write on that. They can give you combination of either problem and solution, or they can give you combination of cause and solution, or they can give you combination of cause and effect. Okay. Now let's take an example. Say the question is obesity. Now in obesity, they are asking you, there can be three things: cause, problem, or we can say effect, and solution. In these types of questions, they give you any two things. Either they will ask you to write cause and problem, or they will ask you to write cause and effect, or they will ask you to write cause and solution. Okay. Let's take an example on this. So say if this is the question, one problem faced by almost every large city in traffic congestion. What do you think is the cause and solution? So here they're asking you the causes and the solution about traffic congestion, and that too in large city. This you cannot ignore. So overpopulation of urban areas led to numerous problems. Identify one or two serious ones and suggest cause, ways the government or individual can tackle. So here what they're asking you, they're asking the problem and the solution. So what are the problem? One or two serious one, and the way. Here when you are giving the solution, you have to give one solution for government level and one for individual. So read the question very carefully to identify what they're asking for. Today more people are overweight than ever before. What is your opinion are primary causes and what are the effects? So here they're asking you causes and effects. So read the question very carefully to first thing understand what they're asking for and then move further, right? So what are the tips for this? You just choose just one or two problem and pick the solution which is related to them to make it more cohesive. Okay. Another serious error which I have seen student doing that you need to be specific. Like if you take this example, in this they're asking you about ways for government and individual. So you have to discuss one point for government level, one for individual, right? In this question, they are talking about traffic congestion in large cities. So you cannot tell us a general. You have to tell about large city in this, right? So be very careful what they're asking for. Now, what will be the essay structure? Very basic, very simple. Introduction will be your paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means rephrasing the sentence or the statement. Then, since this is a non-opinion essay, they are just asking to discuss. They are not asking any of your opinion. So simply it is going to be your outline statement. Okay. In body paragraph 1, whatever they are asking. If they are asking problem and solution, so first body paragraph will have two problems. Second will have two solutions. If they are asking causes and effects, so first body paragraph will have causes, second will have effects. So similarly, what they are asking you to write that, and be careful that you are writing at least two, not less than that, because they will always say what are the problems and solutions. So if they are asking problems and you are just writing one, that is half that. So be very careful what they are asking for. Then similarly in the second body paragraph will give two solution or two effect, whatever they are asking for. In the conclusion, we are going to summarize the key points. Now let's see the sample essay. So one problem faced by almost every large city is traffic congestion. So here they're asking about traffic congestion in large city. What do you think the causes are and what solutions can you suggest? So first thing, as always, idea generation. So what can be the causes? Inadequate public transport. Okay. So that's why people are more into the preference of the private transport. Too many cars on the roads, increasing number of own cars, more convenient than buses. What can be the solution? So relate with these things. So improve the public transport so that people use more frequent, and encourage car sharing, carpooling, park rides scheme. So these type of schemes should be there to encourage that people are using less of their private transport. Now let's see how we need to write the essay. So first thing that we do is always paraphrase the question. Nowadays, traffic jam is major challenge faced by almost all big town and cities. So this is the paraphrasing of the question. Read the question again and see the way it's paraphrased. Very important. Then we write the outline statement. The main reason for this is that there are too many private cars on the roads these days as well. Private transport are inadequate, and viable solution is to introduce more park ride scheme along with improvement. So we are saying what is the reason? Too many private car these days, and like people feel that private transport is more better solution. What can be the solution? To introduce park ride scheme and improve the public transport, right? So whatever we have discussed in the plan, the exactly same thing is written over here. Now let's see body paragraph 1. So you can read this body paragraph. Exactly whatever we have planned, we are written over here. To begin with, the number of people owning car increase year on year. With most families now having more than one car, most people like the convenience of traveling at a time. They want to rather than being restricted to public transport timetable. So first thing is that they don't want to be restricted to the public transport. They have their own car and they just need the convenience, the comfort it offers. So they prefer drive themselves. For instance, in 2014, one of the biggest traffic congestion was reported in China capital city Hong Kong, which lasted for more than 24 hours. Another major cause of traffic congestion in large cities is inefficient use of government transportation system. This is because train and buses are not always reliable. Sometimes it's late, so people, when they are going for a job or some important thing, they don't want to get late. So rather they prefer. And one more thing is non-availability of public transport everywhere. In the villages and in other places, the public transport is not available. So people don't have any option, right? Now, what can be the solution? So whatever causes we have discussed, accordingly only we have to write the solution. So odd even policy can be introduced, like on 1 week or 1 day alternately, like 1 day all the odd number cars will be there on the road, 1 day all the even number cars will be there. And even it was introduced in Delhi recently when the traffic problem, when there was a lot of pollution problems. So this was introduced and this was a successful measure that was taken at that time. In conclusion, traffic congestion is a massive concern in big cities caused due to private cars on city can only be eliminated by introducing innovative regulation and improving the public transport system. So a lot of things depend on the public transport system that need to be improved. So this is how your problem solution type essay can be written. These are some of the examples. You can try attempting these and you can comment in the comment box. If you have any doubt, even that you can comment in the comment box. We'll discuss it in that. Thank you so much.